If you could please help us reach more people by hitting the subscribe, like, and notification buttons, that would help us out greatly. Hello, and welcome to my channel, The Day Tradester. If you're here for the first time, hopefully there'll be enough information that brings you back tomorrow. Well, today, while we're going over the trades, I want to talk about how $25 a week can truly impact your life over time. If you're here and you're looking at my channel, then you actually already know how $25 a week can change your life, especially if you're active in the markets. Now, if you're not active, maybe it's because you think you don't have enough money. Maybe you don't know enough about the markets. Maybe you don't feel comfortable with risking as little as $25. Or as much as $25. Depending on your situation, $25 can be a lot of money. Well, whatever the case may be, or why you're not active in the markets, you stumbled across my channel, and this channel is set up so you can actually follow my trades, even copy my trades, because learning how to trade is daunting. But if you take a look at my chart here of Cisco, you can see where I've bought and sold plenty of trades. You can see how I happen to catch trades on the upward momentum, and I don't try to buy while it's going down. So if you choose to tune in every day and you choose to copy my trades, I can preserve that $25. I can help you grow that $25. These trades that you see, as you see that we're buying, and well, right now we're selling, and after we sell all of our stocks, we buy. But these are live trades, and I actually start trading at 3 o'clock. I want to trade as close to closing as I can. So for those of you who are coming home from work, you come home and watch my videos, that the price that you're seeing will probably be as close to the price that I actually purchased. So you're even more comfortable of making the trades, whether they're a sell or a buy. I'm not going to say that if you choose to follow and you choose to mimic my trades, I'm not going to say that it's 100% low risk, because it's trading in the markets. But if you're new to the markets, it's a lower risk than doing this on your own, because I've been doing this for 2 years and it's taken me 1.5 years to create and build this strategy. Just take the time and examine the charts as you view my channel over time. So, I mean, starting with $25, you can say that's low risk. If you're beginning or thinking about entering the market, you can put the money into an account. I'm not going to recommend any specific account, but I use Charles Schwab. And no matter which account you choose to go with, or brokerage, not actually account, a brokerage, they all offer fractional shares. So your $25, instead of spending $25 on a stock, on just one stock, you can spend $5 and get 4 stocks. 5 stocks. My math was wrong. So at the end of 1 month of putting $25 in a week, you can own $5 of 20 companies. Right now, you're watching me make some sells. I have to sell some stocks in order to be able to possibly purchase all the stocks that we're able to purchase. And after we sell this 3M stock, we've got 4 more to sell. So if you are thinking about entering the markets, it is a little low risk for you if you're watching my channel. Well, at least lower risk than attempting this all on your own. Another thing that's scary about the markets is lack of consistency, especially if you're new. I mean, it's difficult enough for experienced traders such as myself and other even more experienced traders than me who've been doing it for 20 years. Consistency is a problem. It's difficult because the markets are completely unpredictable. But I'm fairly consistent. I make money every day from my trades. The most important thing in reference to consistency in trading is actually being consistent and taking the time to put that $25 a week or whatever amount you're able to afford. But since we're talking about $25, the consistency of investing $25 in the markets over time, will be and result in substantial growth. So right now we're going to go back and we're going to look for stocks that actually didn't sell when we made the purchases. So since it says live, when we make our when we place our order and the bell doesn't ring, like right now, you can see there's a limit order. I have to cancel that. We'll place a new order, and hopefully this sells. No, it didn't sell. The price had already moved. So we'll try it again. All right, so we'll come back to that a second time if we have to. All right, so it looks like Dow sold. So our next stop, I know a couple didn't sell, several didn't sell. So maybe we'll have better luck with this one. So let's see. Okay, what is going on? I know I had, I don't know, maybe 8 that didn't actually sell when we actually placed the order. I tried to mark those down, so I want to make sure they sell. I want to make sure we have enough money. So let's try this. Let's try keys. Do it again. What? Do. There we go. All right. I will go back and start trying to inform you or convince you that $25 a week will benefit you and your family after I get through checking these trades. So bear with me. I can't. I don't multitask very well. So maybe I should play some music while I'm doing this so I can focus. I'm a little. Have to take a look at my list. What's next? That was SPXL. We're looking for, so one of the others sold. If you heard that, we're going to get through Twilio here. Hopefully we'll sell this. I try to put in my orders for specific prices as opposed to up top of the order. You'll see there's a buy market and a sell market button, but that comes down to the average, the price between the ask price and the bid price. And in some future video, I will go over the terminology and definitions of what the bid price and the ask price and the importance of them. But right now, I need to get through this video. I try to keep my videos, at least the my trade portion of the video, to no more than 13 minutes. I don't want you guys to get bored, but I do need to get through here. So bear with me. Continue to thank you very much for your patience. The reason some of these didn't sell when I placed the orders, because sometimes price moves fast, it'll either go too high or too low, and it won't trigger the order. And I try to get the a very specific price over an average price, because just like for you, $25 might be an important amount of money to keep and maintain. I consider every penny in my account balance extremely important. I want every penny to go as far as possible. So we're trying SPY again, but just to move on to our buys, to keep our video recording down, I'm just did the sell market. So now we can at least get to our buys. So if you are thinking about trading, the two things we spoke about was you might not have been trading because of the risk. Well, $25 let's consider that low risk. And another important factor is consistency. We want to be able to add some money every week, and if you're able to do $25, that's good. And the other aspect of consistency is the ability to make profits on a consistent basis. If you go back and watch some of my trades, and if you scrutinize my trades on this video and previous videos, and you go back and collect some data, you'll see that I'm making money. So I'm consistent there, so I can help you be consistent, or you can be consistent if you choose to mimic and copy my trades. If you do follow me, you'll find out over time that you will get comfortable, and you'll see that you also are being consistent, especially if you're following me. I give no guarantees. If you do follow me, I do try to protect my money and try to do low risk trades, which is what I practice in this particular strategy. And the importance of combining low risk with consistency is, over time, it's the compounding effect of money over time. By being an active trader and utilizing the daily or weekly or monthly price action in these stocks, we're not just utilizing compounding, we're reinvesting. By being an active trader with our $25, we aren't just relying on compounding. I don't want to just rely on compounding. We all want to make as much money as possible. I'm right there with you. So we make small profits to add to the compounding action of the money in the markets. But no matter how you choose to do this, if you choose to enter the markets and you do it on your own, you try to figure everything out, you watch all the videos online, or whether you specifically just follow me and you follow my trades and you mimic my trades, or you utilize my trades to help increase your action and your activity in your own portfolio, in your own trading adventure, it's exponential, baby. Your money's going to grow exponentially. And once you start seeing how fast $25 can turn into 30 or 40 or 50 turn into 100, and you're working less, meaning that you're not trying to find a side job or go build a deck for somebody or whatever you might find to earn extra cash. You're working your job and coming home and spending a little bit of time to increase your own wealth using your own money in far less time. So much so that you may actually, as I did, get a little addicted to it. It'll be easy to say no to a lot of the things that you know is actually a waste of money, and you're going to be addicted to putting your money to good use, good positive use, productive use. A use that will benefit you and your family. Like this stock, Tradestor, for example. That's a $1,400 stock. I didn't have that to begin with, but you can have it for as little as $5. You can have a share of that $1,400 stock for only $5. So don't think that you don't have enough money. So right now I want to show you my codified sell list and buy list. I made my trades active using the comprehensive watch list of all of my stocks. I have 135 stocks, but this specific watch list is my buy list. This is my sell list. So that should make it a little bit easier for you to copy my trades if you choose to. And if you choose to come back the rest of this week, I plan on just continuing to discuss how putting $25 a week can add up and how I can help do that with you. I'll talk about how I increase my gains and how I reduce losses by taking advantage of short-term swing trading strategy that I created for myself. So I hope that you come back, and I hope that you join me and I join you. Together we go through this trading journey. Thank you.